Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align and reposition radio buttons in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And see this radio button, and I will align this radio button perfectly and reposition. Now select form option, this menu bar, and here you will find the select field. Now click here and you can move it anywhere and see this. Now I'll align all of this horizontally and drag your mouse cursor, select all of the metals and this alignment option, and here you will find this horizontally and see this. Now you can press your down and up arrow for your keyboard. You can reposition and align. Also you can align vertically left and right. Yeah, so and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.